as a lady in IT, and I've always found that in infrastructure I'm usually the only lady in the team. I think that some of us ladies need to actually sell ourselves properly. A lot of us sort of think, I don't quite meet all of the criteria for the role, maybe I'm not quite right for it, do I really fit the stereotype, etc., etc. And it's just about sort of putting yourself forward, going for things that you want, even if you think maybe I don't quite meet it. So as a recruiter now, recruiting for staff members, I always look for those sort of people who might not necessarily be able to sell themselves really well with 4 pages worth of information on their CV, looking for somebody with potential who doesn't always necessarily know that they've got it, and just trying to give them that confidence to go for things that they want to do. So it's definitely about like pushing yourself and saying, yes, I can do it, and really going for something you want.
Not enough people study computer science. I've got a massive recruitment problem. There aren't enough qualified computer scientists out there looking for jobs. One of the reasons I did computer science is because my parents were often out of work, and I thought if I got a computer science degree I'd never be unemployed, and I never have been. I studied software engineering from 1996 to 2000. For me, the best part of my course was being encouraged to do a year in industry. So I took a year out between my second and third year, and I went and got a job for a year and some experience, and that was very, very useful. And now that experience has led me to start my own internship scheme, and I take students from Aberystwyth now, so at least I got to give something back. My first job was a web developer, and then I was a programmer, and I wouldn't have got those opportunities without my degree. Also, the British Computer Society wouldn't have given me the opportunities that I had without my degree from Aberystwyth. And I've done a variety of things in the industry, as well as just programming. I've done requirements and test management and project management, and now I'm back into engineering. But most days I use something from my degree, and at the moment I'm using all the quality aspects we covered. So yeah, it is important, and I don't think I'd be here without my degree.